ITC surpassed the level of around 400, and in a fitting answer to all the trolls, cigarette major ITC has now surpassed that record high level as well, currently trading at lifetime highs. What's driving the optimism and what's the road forward for the company with respect to the triggers lined up? Vinny has done that analysis. Let's go across to her.
Let's talk about ITC's journey, because from the most meme stock, it's become one of the most loved stock, because last 1 year, the stock has more than doubled, all-time highs of more than 400 rupees. Currently, also standing around that 400 rupees mark is what we're seeing. And what are the positive triggers when you talk about it is, let's not forget what impacts ITC the most is one in terms of the cigarette business, which accounts to most of its revenues. Cigarette business has seen a resilient growth so far. Recovery has been quite good post-COVID as well, and it's expected to continue this resilient growth even in this quarter. Also, the non-FMCG business has FMCG business as well, and non-FMCG business other like hotels and all have also seen a strong growth as well. They've given a steady performance so far in all these businesses as well. Hotel business has seen a very sharp recovery. Even a paperboard business has seen an accelerated growth as well. So these are some of the key triggers that are supporting ITC and could support ITC going forward as well. Stable taxation is a key factor that one watches out for, and every budget you're keeping an eye out on that for ITC. And in the last 5 years, the taxation has remained quite stable. So that is something that is supporting ITC as well. And obviously, the curbs on the illicit cigarettes is supporting the cigarette business for the company as well. Do not forget, there was a recent interview which had come in ET, where the company had highlighted in terms of the hotel alternate structure is what they would be looking at in the next 2 quarters as well. So that is something important that one is watching out for. What is going to be the change over there as well? And attractive valuations is something we don't need to talk about much, because ITC is much cheaper in terms of FMCG companies compared to other FMCG companies as well. When you talk about some of the risks in terms of slowdown in demand could be a risk. Otherwise, rural demand could be a risk if that continues to be weak. And any changes in government policies are factors that we're keeping an eye out on. In terms of the SOTP valuation, currently the street is giving a valuation of 58% to the cigarette business and 26% to the FMCG business, and other sectors as well, other hotel, paperboard, etc. is in the range of around 4 to 7% that we are seeing coming in. So ITC looking attractive because it's much cheaper in terms of valuations as well.